and that's the Premier League. Anything right there. Anything right there.
I was young and Chamway,
Lusa Batch. Come to me, you need the yes, boss. I'm sending. Now, you did kind of come on because now video back on AI 10 years. Osha Kotoko anymore before say Mombo came and I said before I began a game in the cramp, the Yantia and you sent here cramp because I never be below while I wouldn't say, but yeah, for the campaign for the baby after the pandemic to come up. Now, the Atena say only said Kotoko Global now. Now, I think the Global Union, Chairman Solomon of Fusuari at the Abayano. Now, Ama Tutuna Enyan Tiasia was a quite as well. Now, a person was a son, Kotoko, almost circles, to global. Now, being very below her, not more any engine home. Am I in Antiacra? Say, not a boom person about to overflow. Okay, about to overflow cramp day. And so, Ecoso. Meaning, your information about one thing say, I was a son, some on the Bible until my chair side. But before, say, how to forget game in the crowd, Ecoso. Meditate on radio stations, so. Say Kotoko Global Union, and that's why, and also a Juma. But Koma, you did your Ramonia one tea, and say, send your more aka, share a more shares and come on, I Kotoko Global. Now, if you want to say, paying for young to send your Kotoko Global, I don't know, not adding to copy instant. And as an instant, sir, and Kotoko phone supporters, and yet, wouldn't say a Ghana football idea. A bass a draw dear a football more Ghana high. Then to me, you firm for it. But any evidence in Yentimin can say, upper hospitals will be a spiritual thing, Tiamo, there be one court, yes, a spiritual thing, a woman, dear. Whom, dear, any evidence. Now, say, boy, you didn't find another kind, any evidence in Tino. Wouldn't to me and country, and found one I didn't know. But a football in more Ghana high. And no man to check by. I'm an instant and Kabia. Supporters in our carbon. Nan can do one obey or much money beyond so I come along. Now, Quack SMP. Any week, Papa, my master stadium there. But and Tiamina and say, Clubia Kumasia Santi Kotoko. That a entity Yamina, so Clubia Kumasia Santi Kotoko. Or more operations manager. I your friend Christopher Demena, our former chairman. Edema Santico supporters in and as a leader. Edema Santico supporters in and after say, team the ball first half. Then Yamankoye against the General Football Club came on over dressing room. Then commodity also am a playing body no cramp on. Or money answer am I even Samba Giovanni Dunga with Neil. And then the Casa so only playing body no Ebekasa. But Meme Party, the young will do a football. Say Ebia operations manager also be on show so on can technical team after say team abo first half game nyama bia nko sometimes no me lose so much na Ebia ura dressing room na wa kwa approach players no eba sankwampo eba supporters no and I say eba operations team no any supporters in team kwampo nyama bai and ebe so ahead of the next games are also ebetimi abo until after Jana game no nanti chemun to kwa hey ni high as we get there as we so carry the way so yende ni nyina ka ho anema issues but yedem say Kotoko ne de e ya ade a entobom bomu a bibia timi koye enti nchichemu a emre pii no aya ka ho asem se nchichemu so etim no nchichemu yese no enu gusu a enu so koso klobia kumasi asante Kotoko tim no eye nyina ye nu sem say Ebra coach Abdul Karim Zito and so resign as a coach. Edema club here Kumasi and Santi Kotoko. You will supporters even Chairman Solomon Fosuari. I don't know a supporters leader. Eba thing eba two guys Onyayanka coach Prince Yawusu Hamza Obi any other technical team in and come so resign because omu will be disappointed Emma some supporters ebi ekoremu our Dako Jachia and Komo Aqua Copamo coach no bra na all your training ni na so ka one na ma entichemu enso ba because supporters no any mean kind of say technical team no enye close the operations team enso ko na dressing room e ma kasa bebre enso sisi ye e ma even na e ma the operations and the playing body no enso enye close there ahead of Heart of Oak game no e di na be e bra Heart of Oak so mpanyimfo enso aka ho abom supporters aka ho abom cycle se wo masia omo nyina aka ho abom ehia ye eye meetings ahodo ahead of this game no e kire se na nkabo ma wo Heart of Oak bobo ko dem no na e wonanim e de chen club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no enu mu no nyina e ka ho ana ma lose ene club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no lose against Heart of Oak no and so e wo mti both player enkomo bebere ekọ so ansana club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no any Heart of Oak bobo ko no and so ebebo enkomo na de e free before say Kotoko bebo aduana no and after aduana ni nyina no and during the aduana game ni nyina no na ensem no and so e wo ma na ama enema ntimi enkoye am from a club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko team eti about the technical team support about the operations team any ABR playing body any antenna na enkabo mu nsem because how an ABR approaches be any enim kika be any be course no ankoye eti na ma bi also team do paying for your meetings and what you say am be solve sa de but minimum bi trim and obi so ni mi so trim eti abana sa na ABR be ka kwa de but boss player me de ABR waka but me nyanje ntu mo obi trim obetimi di aba na so obi anyi ntuma ensem bebele enti club Kumasi Asante Kotoko team ye enti ye ofie de but yanya ntie bebele course ahodo bebele ba emenya informations bebele emenwu send enti menya yise ti boss ubusaya say ana nkomo bebele na eno so enso esitie before say
ya got trophless I don't know. Yeah, cut trophless basically because FA Cup
I didn't
top 4 no cry.
Yes, because 9 points difference. I don't know the results at other clubs, you know, and the match is a minimum results in it. But you know, because I think they be a bit no position of Kotoko because now Heart of Oak any Medema about 5 points difference.
Yeah.
Kotoko any Adriana sorry Medema
35 points.
35 points about 5 points. Sorry. 9 points difference in the 3 matches. You say at the was I was saying Medema lose 3 matches. There were 3 teams that come at Medema one. I was saying so bomb fire say on next 3 matches and I say match games now games now canon into the idea calculations no emfa
nana banyampa
yes but me person me clarify this manen to Kotoko me manan to Kotoko me manan to Kotoko and so supporters lean trim say wo mo trim say wo na wo your friends say best players our league ni mu a be catch on some boa how many best players bia Kotoko ne Heart of Oak ni team a and from when I send you what your Uber team and what team they can see into. Team my winner D. This a winner D. I don't just saw your best player. I don't just saw your great player. I don't just say Kotowa but they into your player can see what Ghana has said. Who come at Yama Sporting Club who couldn't say you players are more than 3-4 seasons. How much someone want say I don't think that Yama Sporting Club Bobo Kuro. Do Medema Atom best player, best right back. Yes, I was second round, but I mean, come to them say, send your Medema players to do one bomb watching into no, or Mutimo, a strong this season, so I'm more league now. And my name is surprising, Obia, Kotoko had to football Kuro, almost signed 2-3 years more. I know at the end of the season, players are going to continue to Pamu, and easy. Last season, Pamu Bebre. I don't know Emma team no entiment league. But don't you make my team is Sierra? Kamal D. Suleiman, Kamal D. You come to know what team is Sierra. Or more engine league. I think it's the last 3 seasons. No, but team maybe. and no more players on one watching ye pa and the Kotoko team no you pam on ya to near Pamu coaches Namwa now we name one dia omo control with him say and you want to put best players our league in the supporters are and you top player we any more in a question open team ni mo dia obenya dino but a dino and for one ball so ball here dia and no and be koye and so e dia ma and ti Kotoko team no be say mo peja na season and you koye dia and was say omo din kabumba no mo to mo was no mo huni omo ye and just dia and the team ne be gigia sa and the men so me sanje ma dwenchere me dia dwenchere interim ne dia was Kotoko team empanyi fo hwe na management yenya Kotoko management na nya IMC say be ye mo hwe kire no mo ye bibi dabi I was here management the time say 4 years who ye juma 2 years who ye juma anko ye na se be to bi bo so aba na say ye be yi ni pa wo fra ye yi na ba no so aba ba that team na no say no say eko na nima ekoye e de makro bi kuma se asante Kotoko team na san ko ni sa dia enne dalita nyina no enima nkoye last season to be ko Africa na say this is one ko Africa next season no ko Africa e be yedin also e de ama oye pa nti me no ka say dia obi akọ Kotoko supporters ni obi akọ America how to folk supporters and no buy and one think can buy and any pictures na and media for na and no more upload videos so YouTube ni ade na and more around yeah because supporters on buy there obi a and so the money actually fear and ye nyama fufu and so be say ye pa the boss player send ye tie and so me dey atwo adi me
Mini why there Kotoko hun koma na ye boss
my boss I didn't say my boss
enye boys na afi me pa wa no mo hu me no mo zazu be na sanso ache
na dia kwa glass
boss player ya yan wa adwuma bebe enso no oya ya de shekora mpo a sani e pesi ehu ni ma no ehu ni sa no dia mai no man dia ma to nyuro sa dia mai se enkoto isi area nyuro bi am no nkura mpo be 30 days ni o 30 days men sha dem no nyuro 30 days sa be do mo bua aka be ya ye ne sa ye ntimi enya bibi ni aha because yani ani ye hwe ni wam kaka so oh wan ko dan ye hwe se enyema be koye ibe wura next month o de bia na ye hwehwe no enyema be tia koye na be na hospital kese no kuma se de yen kan mo hwe en ye de be se kan mo hwe na next time me ko hol time mo de ama me ko duro na mo ma dura de nka hwe was e wedding go we
Martin na ba nti se si ai wo hwe a amount for reaction
is this many chairman do say okay o hangi up ya many ni din komo me ban say ono na vice chairman e wa Ashanti region say and Sunday why you din ko no ampa ono a Kotoko awi ni nye of gracious o me ye ni interview gracious o mama men kasa gracious unye say we je di committee chairman na don play I see the idea one look at Clampoa, Mkoye, Omunyina Abuto, because the one King Zuba, I think say that was Friday, no, I got to a radio station, over Kumasi, I say, I say, we take FM here, and no Casapa or Kasai, Papani, Umbesha, woman at the Samson regional minister, and so quiet, and on your best show or more at the Omu Poy and boss, and you 1 minute in Musumina. But said the Kotoko really and communion time, then on common supporters not in Komoye pa. But before the supporters from us, they see a few stands in the mobile in no more than a call. I can't, I move 70 minutes. Now I got 20 minutes and Musa supporters to do and so coffee. But before the game, none to Kwanya would go gate Nachi. I'm on for pre ticket, I'm on for a ticket. Now, would you run inside, sir? I'm betting about when you take game in the banana. And sweating yanka, Apoye Diamo. But send Yanko Yan Farmer one day. I will hope Jake and I supporters in Akuman.
In fact, video, Yami boy, I broadcasting on that is Monday, but Yanfa went too much for a Blaster technical team, no head coach to Ado, and our friends. So assistant coaches which say Alan Rivera and Kim Lasbot Jack Green and Desmond Ofermo advice I refresh Shepherd and Frederick Achampo who now was at the stadium said that's why I sound more able to be no or now honumbi my report I pay me be obey when we are clear local players don't come be Kotoko the but Obia no inspire Kotoko player inspire you local number kakra aka ho number kakra e aka no say Salim Adam Mediama yes in a pole position I know do most definitely about 3 players in the local scene and 2 na sorry there number 1 goalkeeper but Salim also and near man come I do no o man inspire na so many answer that so Kotoko players no and money but Joe and omunya glimpses ne kakra yes so mbeto aso ahwe no next games are edited and also information kakra
sure chairman and command here because each and every day piano grant and the Hubert Joe the performance no I couldn't man we should continue a player we impress me pa saka that but the end for 1 match per and got saka that that's bit me a part of the team you know but and at the were Hubert Joe no come with the year before say Obewura club your commercial Santiago ko bubu kudimu bi actually say Black Stars tibodo omo etuno ne omo nsa frɛ na ebe come apart if so nya akonya mpo na
they were not inspired o many answer that the Kotoko players no more
and no chairman performance now from because numerical disadvantage edema had to focus na also what advantage numerical advantage say 11 against 10 na muda performance where did ye na enye but individual performance there you bet you don't always be on standing tall and saka down so na eye but nyini na emlika tutu enyemlika tutu
there na way forward enye say you drink I say assistant coach
me was so club ya commencer à santé ko Poboko no na nyina say omuma na penkantina na onhwe sika sem na onya ntutu yemfa tim ne mo ba say amamle ne za ne ma no yenko fie nyenko di say on campaign fo no wo tim ne mo na omumpe wo bia wo te football na asesua football na ya football na du akire na o meka na ho na omunya football ne ye enye obi a wo ye coach enye obi a wo ye coach da bi da ha uba Ghana ha say ya omu hwe teams wo Ghana ha say ya niema ekoye no me ba chu Mediama Sporting Club New Rano wanya adwa Kotoko na Samson Samates employing do mo Samates do na no omu anya adwa Kotoko na Nations FC momo anya adwa Kotoko na but aya kasa ne dorso kasa no ye tie die but ebi mu ja omadwuma ne to ho na wa be fa nipa wo fa adwuma aye se oye Kotoko chairman ya na sensem troli busa wo efa technical and as a tactical aspect me pacha you have to answer that journalist they say unye coach entino sansem den ke coach ade but won say supporters leader no tactics on wasem supporters leader no formation wasem players or say select one we
what I don't know. None about an idea Eddie Amaya no. Yes, you better not say. But the woman no Kugu and Ako Eddie Ama Sante Kotoko Boboko no, which is really a part of football. Mama and calm it down. Now you're but Edding will be thrown catch us in your na obwa football there, Bibia wumbi and yes, but and yes, Bibia wumbi no. Na lose to me ba but at this rate I be lose near the adeno had Diana FA Cup has about share with 10 men which is any I see 10 men or my share with this Yeah, who difference? Bianca, who difference? Kaka, crabbing po cry say, and nay, I mean, but there was nothing to show up. Say, we forget about say, yes, yes, bid in sabo, bo, panati, in comius, nina, I mean, they be a referee, be whom, I mean, or Jayan come, but even the uncophone TV in the cameras and to me, I mean, you are bright too. I think bright too, you're more about of weird TV or no, and on the camera, it's in a try, and also air kakra, but I think the referee got it wrong. But yeah, honor, here we need to make sure, say, yeah, you team and Shishani and May. There are a lot of things now, a high team, no, a lot of things. Now, very uninspiring. Say, baby, I that league log no money. Black Star penny for Baba Hebo ni be players and me and you mo. World Cup sika do so po botwi say. He say has for anya umbenya one player, ebenya bia podwe. Media me anya bia na Kotoko ye de na bibi ohui. And there's a lot of things honestly ball we are ball no. Ya to your players na share bass asedodo. Ya momo kokasa already so fine yes but me yonku bi catch him say we always do this and they up in defeat. Oh, your players no mo kasa no sometimes you need to be say coach you mo ba ko ka omoni zongo for na ebebo zongo for board and fine go senior there I great nipa ba stadium there but ya be sha sorry otobo agba you know nso pe bi obi resi say na kasa bi a you ka on dem cho ya since kofo na share nyame no mabo ya femfram 1-0 e wum say 1-0 there but mo victory sweet dan e go na e ko share no say den na e penalty Bankofu atwa pa 34th minute record. Yantimi ammo pepa be say you kra nto aso. Which a hard dream. I think say could to yin na na e kasa modern money wo form, the modern money wo form. But of a prince who see amoka so ni of azito ade die. Any omonyo kra nti o kan na kwesi say. Enkomo de bi o but a hard dream. A hard dream. A hard dream. A kwan fa so ye Kotoko no. A hard dream. A hard dream. A hard dream. I wish ya moment keep it calm. Ye nyina I preach for the positivity. Na na ba chere na adwen se be ya nka. Yira and ne ohwe team so na na ya de nyina. Enka ye ma no nye panyini sikasem mu team ne na bibia nkoso. Na ija football person bi. Na me football people like kana na ho no mo kra mo anana. Nti akoye bibia ho. Also, I didn't tell me say. Person near schedule for interview. At this time, the young fee na Kotoko feel a beer ni be coach ni a be any asa. At this time, say, show arguing for Kotoko one for number way. Ne no na ho ni nim komo 1-on-1. A dear na also input. Yep, new people input for adventure, but then what is the way forward? +1 716 787 1300 +1 716 +1 716 yeah 716 787 that is the number again +1 716 787 1300 bomodena efa na yentimi anni enkomo yem schedule interview bi na empeda bi na yenyina no yembo nkomo ne yehu se de ebeko yes number no na me go screen so no na and share your opinion about this club idea training be it's hard time we need to come together all hands on deck na yehu de ebeko +1 716 787 1300 ofana WhatsApp ya nobody in common na schedule for interview. What should we do now? This is our situation. I won't see our FA Cup gone, league almost a cup. Enthusiasm crowd about a team now. Yeah, born a hard been supporters front muache ABC global ABC circle management. Uhuni say get to us say and now you na efa number na yes schedule for interview. But that's it. So thank you.